Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again, guys. You already know, man, I go by the name Ghetto Boss. For those who don't know me, man, it's been a while. It's been a while, bro. It's been a while. It's been a journey, man. We can't complain. It's been a journey. It's been up. It's been down. And, man, we can't stop, bro. We can't stop trading. We won't stop no matter what. We won't stop trading, guys. Trading, your trading, man, is giving it can give you that discipline that you want in life. And man, what I want to say, guys, it's been like a huge experience that I went through. That's why I was a little bit quiet. It's like, man, I went through losses, bruh. What a blessing of going through losses, bruh. Because what is going to happen after you discovered what make you lose, you will start to realize and relax and analyze yourself. Because what happened, bruh, I was going up, I was like growing my account so crazy, and in a fast pace, man, because remember, I'm still a beginner too, although I'm teaching people, because I was able to catch the information. I put a lot of hours, understand? I put a lot of hours on the chart and studying the chart, the ins and outs, the fundamentals, the candlestick. I studied, bro. I was studying on YouTube. So the technical part is like, it came like, to me, it never took a lot of time, because I was able to spot entries and exit and make money. But now the psychology part is the one that is so difficult, because when you're losing, when you're winning, you get so excited. Yo, I'm winning, I'm making this money, go around breaking, I'm making this money. Only to find out when you start to lose, bruh, you will feel like the world is turning against you. Because remember, you're still a beginner and you're making this money, and then now all of a sudden you start to feel comfortable, and when you start to feel comfortable is where you're going to blow. And when I was blowing this account, guys, it's like, I don't believe that I'm blowing, but I can see one account is wiped and then another one is wiped. Funded accounts get wiped, and thank God, because of I never stopped doing part-time. I was still working. That's why I was telling the other guys who used to follow me, don't stop working for now, because you until you make a lot of money. Don't ever think of quitting your job. So thank you I thank God that I didn't stop doing my waitering job. So I was doing part-time, but then because I was making money, I was making profits, so they used to give me few shifts. So now when I blowed my account, bruh, I went back to work full-time, and then when I going back to work, bruh, I make money, I fund my account, I blow. I make money, I fund my account, I blow. Why I'm blowing is because now I want to make that money back. That means now it's revenge trading, and my psychology now is not in a good state to be trading, right? Now, when I was keep on blowing every week, blowing, I sat down, bruh, and then I said, no, something is not right here. Now I have to start analyzing myself. I said, no, man, wait, get up, boss. What is going on here? Then I realized that, bruh, my psychology was fucked up. I started to analyze myself. I started to say, okay, now I even stopped posting on YouTube, because now I don't want to be posting all my losses. I cannot say I'm making money while I'm not making money. And been teaching people this strategy, but now I'm blowing on this strategy. I'm not disciplined on my strategy, because that strategy is working, man. This strategy is still working even today. But if your psychology is not in a good state, bruh, I'm telling you, you will always blow. It's not a strategy, it's your mind. It's not in a good state. So I analyzed myself. I said, wait. I took some off on trading. I was busy analyzing myself, developing myself, and then busy also perfecting my craft. Is very important, guys, to perfect my craft. It's very important to perfect your craft. Take time to perfect your craft, and if you can take time and perfect your craft, not to think about money, man, it's going to be easy for you, because what we want is this money, man. We want a lot of money, because we see a lot of traders on YouTube or on Instagram. They are buying cars, bro. These guys, they are buying big machines, and that makes us to think so big in a way of, now we want to make more money, but now we are still beginners, right? Those guys, they have 6 years, 7 years in the game, man. Those guys, they are so big, man. You see them to be FX coach, these guys, DJ coach, these guys are so big, man, in the game. They've been there for a very long time, man. So to watch them making so much money, posting the money that they are making, and then you have 1,000 rands or $100 account, you want to make those millions, man? No, it's not possible. Now it's coming on this. You have to understand, brother. Forex is a huge cake, right? Forex market is a huge cake, bro. If you can take a slice of your cake and go out of the market, bruh, that I will tell you that you have mastered Forex. Just chow your slice of cake and put it aside. Yeah? Every time you get an opportunity, just take a little bit of slice of cake and put it aside. Those slice of cakes, they're going to become a big cake for yourself. But now we want the whole cake. We want to be greedy. We want to be like, we want to, the problem is we are rushing our progress. We are rushing ourselves. This is not just, this is a marathon, man. This is a marathon. Every business, everything that you do, bruh, if you want six-pack, if you want anything, it's a marathon, man. Those little changes per day, bruh, is the one that leads you to where you want to go. You cannot just be rich overnight. That's scam if you are rich overnight. But if you understand, this is a process. It's like doing engineering course or a doctor's course or being a lawyer. It's a process, bro. It takes time. Anything that makes a lot of money, bro, you cannot just boom in 2 months. No, bro. Other people, they go for 6 months and they quit, bro. Hey, Forex is a scam. Yeah, I'm losing a lot of money. But I understand, man, because of now, we are not the same, bro. Some of us, if we grab something, we don't stop until we get results. See? So I want you guys to comment, those who will say we won't stop. Comment on this video below and say I won't stop until I get what I want. You know? So guys, I don't want to keep this video long. I want to tell you guys that we are back in business again. I will be posting all the trades that I'll be taking every day with you guys and show you why did I take those trades, the psychology behind this. Psychology is very important, guys. Don't take it for granted. Then I will be also on daily basis, I will be posting every day, showing you the trades that I took. I will open also a Facebook account, and I also open a Discord account. Also follow me on my Instagram, you know, it's Ghetto Empire Academy. Also subscribe and like and share these videos. The good news that I have, guys, is I'm going to sharp. I'll announce this news. Now, I'm going to take 3 people that who's going to be following me in all social medias, right? Because I'm still using the same broker that I was using, FBK Markets, right? It's the best broker for me so far. So if you want to use any broker, it's up to you, but I'm using FBK Markets. But the people that I'm going to choose 3 people that are using FBK Markets, right? I will open for them accounts, or they will open their accounts on FBK Markets. Then I'll fund those guys, right? I'll fund those guys. After I found the guys, I'll give them signals for 1 month, right? I will give them signals for 1 month to grow those accounts. for 1 month. Then after that, I'll let them do their own thing, you know. After 1 month, I'll make sure I show why I took the trades, why the psychology behind those trades, and then all the things I will show them. Also, we'll be having a community where we're going to be discussing these trades, but everything I'll put in the link in the link below. Follow all my social medias. So that's what good news I have for you guys. I will try to help you as much as I can, guys, with the knowledge that I have, a little knowledge that I have. I'll help you for free, guys. So if now the catch is this, I want us to reach to 10K subscribers, right? Let's push this channel to reach up to 10K subscribers. As soon as we reach up to 10K subscribers, now I will be able to pick those 3 guys and then fund them and then give them free signals for 1 month, right? So let's push, because guys, I have to give you something, also you can give me something, you know. So let's push, guys, let's push. Let's don't make the video long, but most of the time I'll be showing you the chart, I'll be showing you the trades I took. Even now I just took a sell on US30. As you know, my favorite pair is Nasdaq and US30, man. It was getting better by daily, guys, I don't want to lie. So just don't talk a lot of things. Let's just push the channel to 10K subscribers, right? After 10K subscribers, I'll choose those 3 guys, I fund them. After I funded those guys, we will be able to give them signals every day for 1 month. Then they grow those accounts, then they withdraw their monies. The money is for them. So that's what I will do, guys. So I'll keep on dropping more videos as I used to, guys, for you. And then let's work, get to chart. Let's work, nothing come easy. There's no shortcuts on this, bruh. There's no shortcut. We have to work hard. We have to work hard to get this. So we have to put more hours on the chart. You must understand everything, you know. And technical is easy, bruh. It can take you 3 months to do the technical, but the psychology part is the one that takes a little bit longer. It depends how disciplined you are as a person, because the market only needs a disciplined person with a system, which is the strategy. And then when you get the strategy, be disciplined on that strategy, then you will make money. Thank you very much, guys. Let's don't make the video too long. It's just that, guys, it's been a long time. So take care of yourself. I love you all, guys. Let's work. Peace.